Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change to lowercase in Adobe InDesign 2022. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Adobe InDesign software. Then open your document or create your document. Now you can see here are my document. Now I change lowercase in these documents. Now at first you have to write some text. Now you can see here are text to all text are uppercase. Now I change to lowercase. At first you select this text, then go to type option and find change case option. Now you can see here are lowercase option. Now simply just click on it. Now click outside of this text box. Now you can see I change lowercase in Adobe InDesign very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.